Hello, welcome to the Super Smartans. I am Rajiv Dave. This is fourth part of active and passive voice video lecture. In this part, you can know about transformation of simple future tense and future perfect tense sentences from active voice to passive voice. The passive voice of future continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense cannot be made. Now first let's see simple future tense sentences. Affirmative sentence, active voice sentence, that is subject plus shall or will plus verb plus object. Passive voice, object plus shall or will plus be plus past participle plus by plus subject. Negative sentence, active voice, subject plus shall or will plus not plus verb plus object. Passive voice, object plus shall or will plus not plus be plus past participle plus by plus subject. Interrogative sentence, active voice, shall or will plus subject plus verb plus object plus question mark. Passive voice, shall or will plus object plus be plus past participle plus by plus subject plus question marks. Okay, now let's see examples. Okay, here affirmative sentence of simple future tense, I shall write a letter. We will transform it from active voice to passive voice. So first of all, as per rules, here I is the subject, shall to be form of the future tense, write a verb, a letter is an object. So first we will write object, a letter will be written by me. Sorry, full stop. Now negative sentence, I shall not write a letter. So first of all write object, a letter will, then put not, be, then past participle of write by me. Affirmative interrogative sentence, active voice sentence, shall I write a letter? So in passive form, first write will, then object, a letter, be, past participle of write, that is written by me, question mark. Okay, write down. Okay, now let's see transformation of WH questions of simple future tense from active voice to passive voice. First sentence, who will pay the bill? who है तो क्या आएगा by whom, ऑब्जेक्ट बिल है, यहां पे सबसे पहले क्या आएगा बिल, देन ऑब्जेक्ट द बिल, फ्यूचर टेंस है तो बीई, एंड पे का जो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल होगा पेड, एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, व्हाई विल यू गिव मनी? व्हाई की जगह पे क्या आएगा व्हाई सेम विल, ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है मनी है तो मनी पहले आएगा सब्जेक्ट के तौर पे नाउ, एंड सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस है तो बी रखना मत भूलना, एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल गिव का आएगा गिवन बाय यू, क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, व्हेन विल यू टीच हिंदी? सो व्हेन की जगह पे व्हेन, WH क्वेश्चन वर्ड, देन विल, ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है हिंदी है, ये सब्जेक्ट है तो हिंदी पहले आएगा, बी, टीच का पास्ट पार्टिसिपल क्या होगा टॉट, बाय यू, क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, प्लीज राइट डाउन. Now let's see transformation of future perfect tense sentence from active voice to passive voice. First of all, affirmative sentence structure, active voice sentence structure, subject plus shall or will plus have plus past participle plus object. The passive voice form, object plus shall have been plus will have been plus past participle plus by plus subject. Negative sentence, active voice, subject plus shall or will plus not plus have plus past participle plus object. Passive voice, object plus will not have plus shall not or shall not have plus been plus past participle by plus subject. Interrogative sentence structure of active voice sentence, shall or will plus subject plus have plus past participle plus object plus question mark. Passive voice, will or shall plus object plus have plus been plus past participle plus by plus subject plus question marks. Now let's see some examples. Please write down. Okay, here I shall have played cricket. Here I is subject, cricket is an object. Okay, so first write cricket. Will have been played by me. Okay, next sentence, negative sentence. I shall have not played cricket. So cricket will have not been played by me. Okay, now interrogative sentence. Shall I have played cricket? Now cricket, third person singular. We will put here will cricket. Previous object now becomes subject. Will cricket have been played by me. Okay, please write down. Okay, now let's see the transformation of WH questions of future perfect tense from active voice to passive voice. उससे पहले एक बात मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि अगर आप अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक में से ऐसा कोई सेंटेंस आपको मिलता है कि जिसका आप एक्टिव में से पैसिव ट्रांसफॉर्म नहीं कर पाते हो, तो आप उसको कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख लीजिए, मैं आपको उसका आंसर दूंगा. ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे देखते हैं पहले हु विल हैव ब्रोकन द रिकॉर्ड. तो हु है तो क्या आएगा सबसे पहले बाय हुम. बाय हुम विल the record have been broken और आएगा क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, हियर सेकेंड सेंटेंस, which of the girls will have won the race. तो which है तो क्या आएगा by which of the girls, सेम लिख लीजिए आप. when will, ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है रेस है तो रेस आएगा. हैव बीन क्योंकि परफेक्ट टेंस है. वन और फिर क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, हुज ब्रदर विल हैव ब्रॉट फ्रूट्स फ्रॉम मार्केट. तो बाय हुज, by whose brother will, ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है फ्रूट्स है. हैव बीन परफेक्ट टेंस है तो हैव बीन आएगा. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ऑलरेडी क्या है ब्रॉट फ्रॉम मार्केट. and question mark. Okay, please write down, and thank you for watching this lecture. Please like, share, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the notification of our next video. Thank you.